At the uCreate studio, we provide several different types of 3D printers, which fall into two main categories. The first type are Ultimaker 3D printers, which use fused filament fabrication technology, which is an additive manufacturing process. Plastic filament is melted through a nozzle, which follows a precise path determined by the model. The model is printed one layer at a time, with the filament being deposited on the build plate, which moves down between layers. In the studio, we offer three different types of fused filament fabrication 3D printers. The two smallest ones are the Ultimaker 2Go, which are meant to print smaller models, and they are used on a first-come, first-served basis. The two bigger ones are called the Ultimaker 2 Plus and Ultimaker 3, and they have to be booked online to be used. Ultimaker 3 features dual extrusion, having two different nozzles which allow the use of water-soluble supports. The other type of 3D printer is the Form 1 Plus. It uses a printing technique called stereolithography, which is mostly known as resin printing. During the printing process, liquefied photopolymer resin is flashed with a UV laser which hardens it. The model is raised from the resin bath after each layer is completed, which results in the model being built upside down. Stereolithography is a more accurate but slower process than the one used by the Ultimaker printers. If we compare the two processes, one layer of the Ultimaker corresponds to 4 of the Form 1 Plus. In previous videos, we explained how to upload your model to the SD card. Once this is done, it is a simple matter of inserting the SD card into the printer, selecting Print on the front screen, and then selecting your file. Remove the support from the print and your project is finished. To change the filament, simply select Material and then Change, before allowing the printer to heat up. By heating up the nozzle, we ensure the material is melted before it is removed. The filament will then retract, allowing the reel to be removed from the back of the printer. The instructions on the front of the printer will guide you through the process. Slide the previous filament from the spool and insert a new one, making sure it will unravel in the clockwise direction. Continue to follow the instruction on the screen by selecting the material and inserting the new filament in the hole beneath. Allow the material to pass a couple of inches into the machine before selecting Ready and allowing the machine to forward the material. Once plastic begins to be extruded, the process is complete. Well done!